Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Taryn and I love connecting with other moms, so I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is hit the red subscribe button right here down below. You can even hit the bell symbol and that will notify you anytime I post a brand new video. Today I'm sharing my daughter's second birthday and we did a Tutti Frutti theme, and I thought it was just an adorable theme and it was just fun and brightly colored, and honestly setting it all up was really easy. I ordered everything online, so that made it super simple to just shop while the kids were napping, and setting it up and everything was also easy. We kept it kind of low key. We just have so much going on this year that I just wanted to kind of keep it cute but simple as well, so I thought that you might be interested in checking out all the stuff that we got for her party. So I'm linking everything that I got for her party down below for you to check out, and like I said, it was super simple just to order everything online, and then I just took everything that I ordered party decor wise to Office Depot and had it printed out, cut everything out, and we were good to go. I really wish that I would have saved all the signs that I ordered from Etsy, but just so you can see kind of up close the color of these and how they turned out printed, and I just got these little pics to put them on, but how cute is that? I thought they were just such great quality and the colors were just as vibrant as they are online. And also these balloons I wanted to show you guys too. These I found on Amazon and these will be linked down below as well, but how cute are they? There's a whole assortment of fruit balloons, and I think there were 12 of them, but I feel like it just really made the party and they were super cute. Also, all the recipes that I found are actually on Pinterest, so I made a Pinterest board just for you to go ahead and check out. I will link that below as well. We did a pineapple chicken salad. That was pretty good. When we made sandwiches with that, we did a fruit salad. We did Fruity Pebble Rice Krispie treats, which was really cute to keep with the fruit theme. And then we did chips and a mango salsa as well. Those were kind of like the main things that we included in the party meal. So I really hope you enjoy coming along on Brynlie's second birthday party with us. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment below, and I will see you guys very soon.
Brynlie! Happy birthday, Bryn! You want your bubbles on? Here. Ooh, watch bubbles! Bubbles!
Bubbles going everywhere. That's really cool.
Bubbles!
There you go. Somebody. It'll be alright, I'll clean them.
Cool?
What you got? What you got there, bubbles? Bubbles.
Bryn, give me your bow. Aww.
Is everybody here to see you? Yeah? Yeah? That's fine, you don't need to go. Big elbow. My turn now. Good job. High five. High five.
Where are you running from? Huh? Where are you running from?
Is that good? Is that good?
Thank you.
Is it good, Bryn? Yeah? Yum yum? Do you like those balloons?
Really smart.
Orange and
2, 3.
Is it good, Bran?
Be happy, don't worry, be happy now.
Is that pretty? That's Rapunzel.
So pretty.
Be happy. Don't worry, be happy.